back, ladies and gentlemen. Back in 2008, when India was negotiating the civil nuclear deal with the United States of America, the Manmohan Singh government came under major opposition from the left parties that were supporting UPA 1. The left even withdrew its support from the UPA government. Now, sensational claims have been made by a former diplomat who hints at China's involvement in that opposition from the left parties. Former Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale has now claimed that China operated through the left parties and the left-leaning media in India to build domestic opposition to the Indo-US nuclear deal. These disclosures have now triggered yet another political fight. Listen in.
कि न्यूक्लियर पावर बहुत बढ़ेगी देश में। आज तक डील के बाद 1 मेगावाट एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर पावर नहीं बना। तो स्पष्ट बात है, न्यूक्लियर पावर एक झोंक था जिसके पीछे भारत को अमेरिका के एक मिलिट्री और स्ट्रैटेजिक एलाई के रूप में उतारने का, और वही हुआ। आज हम एक जूनियर पार्टनर है अमेरिका के मिलिट्री और स्ट्रैटेजिक अफेयर्स में। विदेश नीति हमारी उनकी विदेश नीति के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। आज जो हो रहा है अफ़गानिस्तान में, जिस तरीके से हम आइसोलेटेड है, वो इसलिए है क्योंकि हमें दुनिया देखती है कि हम एक कठपुतली है अमेरिका के हाथ में। ये परिस्थिति से बचाने के लिए देश को हमने उसका विरोध किया। अगर इसका चीन के साथ कोई संबंध नहीं है, ना हमारी कोई बातचीत हुई उनके साथ, ना बातचीत की गुंजाइश थी, ज़रूरत थी।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining the debate with my guests is Dr. Fuad Halim, spokesperson of the CPIM. And Dr. Fuad Halim, you know, the left and its ideology is completely based on China and its thought process. I want to ask you, these statements have come from Dr.
with you.
These statements.
Please do not make such a sweeping statement.
Okay.
Please do not make such a sweeping.
Okay.
All
right. All right. You do not believe in Lenin, Stalin. No, you do not believe in Lenin, Stalin, and those.
I don't believe in your
Lenin and
statement,
Stalin are not from China. Which part of this is sweeping?
Starting off with an untruth.
Dr. Fuad
Starting
Halim.
off on an untruth.
Achha, Dr. Fuad Halim, I'm not as educated as you are, certainly. But Lenin and Stalin, the icons of the left ideology.
Be a journalist, Nabika.
Happen to be from China.
Take political positions.
Acha, theek hai. Acha, theek hai. I'll ask you the simpler question. Let me ask the simple question. I'll allow Dr. Anand Ranganathan to take on this particular objection of yours. But before that, let me ask you the simpler question. The simpler question is, Dr. Vijay Gokhale, not somebody who's known to speak without knowledge. Responsible, senior bureaucrat, 35 years in the profession, makes a statement in a book that he's written. I want to ask you, I mean, was China pressurizing the left parties or not? Because it's very clear that you were opposed to the nuclear deal. Your problem with the nuclear deal is that it would have made India closer to America, a thought that was unbearable to you then as it is today. So I want to ask you, do you believe and will you acknowledge that what Dr. Vijay Gokhale has stated is actually a point of fact?
Well, the first thing, the point of fact is that in the 12 years since the nuclear deal was signed, both the UPA 2 and the NDA 1 have not fulfilled the goals which both the governments had promised to the people of India. And that goal was to increase the electricity production based on nuclear power. And that has not increased, number one. Number two, the second promise that was given by both these governments was, and one must keep in mind that the BJP had opposed the nuclear deal, but once it came to power, it turned 180 degrees and accepted the nuclear deal and said it is beneficial for the people of India. Now, the cost of electricity has almost doubled during this period.
Why are you sidestepping the question?
Capacity.
Why are
of
you
electricity that
sidestepping
is-
the question?
I am talking about the nuclear.
Is it a
Why are
fact
you
or
not
not?
wanting to discuss the
Is
promise
it a
that was through
fact
the
or not
nuclear
that
deal?
in July
Now that-
2006, left
Don't
parties
whataboutery,
demanded
don't
a thorough
whataboutery.
discussion on the
Your audience
Indo-US
is
nuclear
interested
deal in Parliament?
to know-
Is it a fact or
Your
not that
audience
September
is
2007
interested to
UPA
know
left
that has
committee
the
was
nuclear
set up
deal
to
delivered
discuss
to
the
them or
nuclear
not as a
deal?
common
Is it a
citizen?
fact or not that in February 2008
Yeah,
left
yeah.
said
The crux of the
that
matter.
the government, the UPA would have to choose between the left or the nuclear deal? Are
Your
these
program,
facts or
Navika,
not?
You can have the time. You can have all the time. Let's be very clear. The fact on the table is that the nuclear deal has not served to the benefit of the people of India. Now, what has happened then? Why did we oppose it? As the CPM, we opposed it because we saw very categorically that this nuclear deal is actually a facade to bring in front a situation where India gets involved in the military strategies of America. We were very clear on this. And one must keep in mind that India's military position in the global sphere has become second fiddle to America at this point of time. And we had opposed it then, and
No,
we
you
are
want
opposing
us
it
to
now.
sit with China
Now the
while
question
they
of China
enter
coming in. We have this
Doklam. You want us
bureaucrat.
to sit
We
with
have this
China
bureaucrat
when they
talking
come to
about
Depsan.
China.
You want us to sit with China when Galwan sees butchering of some of our soldiers. I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
we want-
Dr. Fuad
we are
Halim,
very, very
Dr. Fuad
categorical.
Halim
We are
says
very
that the left parties have had extreme clarity that the Indo-US nuclear deal would have put India on the lap of the United States. Do you see that clarity as far as the left party's political outlook is concerned? Because they broke up with the Congress party then, but they go for breakfast now. They broke up with the Congress party then, they go cycling together these days in Parliament. What is the left party so clear about, apart from being confused about Lenin and Stalin belonging to China?
No, Navika, first of all, I think it is wrong to say that the communists are not patriotic. They love their country. Sometimes they love India too, but that's besides the point. No, the issue that we are discussing right now, Navika, you must understand that there's a reason, logical reason, why the communist symbol is hammer and sickle. They want to keep using these tools. For 120 years, it's the same. And it's the same with, these are Luddites. These are Luddites, Navika. It's the same with nuclear energy. For them, E is not equal to MC square, it is equal to rubbing stone square. They would rather take India to the Stone Age or whatever age China wants them to take India to. Now let's get back to the nuclear deal. Navika, you must read, and I'm sure you have, the accidental Prime Minister, which is the account, first-hand account.
The BJP who you support
Now-
was
now one
against the
second. No,
nuclear
Dr.
deal
Dr.
and
Halim,
turned
this is
tail
unfair.
and
This is unfair because I did not interrupt you.
80 degrees
I
revolution
did
when
not,
it came
I
to
did
power.
not interrupt. I did not interrupt you.
No,
One
it's not a
second.
question of interruption. You got
No,
the
no,
anchor who
let
interrupts
me-
me on
let
your
me
behalf.
address-
Anand, don't try to
on
play
my
coy.
behalf. On my behalf.
Don't try to
Doctor,
play
क्या
coy.
बात
You
कर
got
रहे हो?
Navika on your behalf who
No.
interrupts. Let's what you call put the gloves
You
on.
know, you and your
Why-
conspiracy
Tell
theory.
me why did the BJP change its position?
Now, one second.
Why did
Do
the
you
BJP
remember the
take its
quote of
clothes
Dr.
off
Manmohan
once
Singh?
it came to power?
Navita, I need to come in here, please.
No, do you
I
remember
must-
the BJP was opposing the nuclear deal?
Oh, do you remember the comment of Dr. Manmohan Singh that he addressed Atal Bihari Vajpayee and said, all I have done is completed what you started?
Acha, the
When he signed the
BJP
1-2-3
spokesperson
agreement.
is quoting
Do you remember that?
Manmohan Singh. Very good,
Do you
very good.
remember
Go
that?
ahead.
Navika, this is not a way. I know he's a communist.
No,
but
please
still,
go ahead.
You know,
Please
there
go
has
and
to be
find
some
virtue in
decorum
Dr.
being
Manmohan
maintained.
Singh. I
mean, we are not.
have no
Why,
desire
what's
now to
wrong?
interrupt
Okay,
you.
gentlemen,
What's wrong in quoting Manmohan Singh?
you know, Dr. Fuad Halim, allow Dr. Anand Ranganathan to speak. So what? So what if his views do not agree with yours? Allow him to speak at least. Democratic to do that. In India at least, if not in China.
Definitely, Navika,
I
if
know.
you allow me that
No.
see, then definitely.
You know, Navika, all my
If,
time has been eaten up by Dr.
everybody
Fawad
in
Halim.
favor of the same
What can
concept.
I do? You know, this is the behavior. And Dr. I don't expect this from you. You're a COVID warrior. Please, just give me 30 seconds.
What has
Navika,
happened to domestic tariff? What has happened to domestic electric tariff?
Okay, Dr. Fuad Halim. Dr. Fuad Halim, you made that point. You made that point. Allow Anand Ranganathan to make his point. I have to get in two other panelists. 1 minute. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
Navika, Dr. Fuad Halim has been a lifelong communist. You remember that his prophet Buddhadev Bhattacharya, when he's talking about America being the murderer of the world, does he remember that handshake of the day with Henry Kissinger, the mass murderer? क्या बात कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब? अभी आपका पूरा पिटारा खोल दिया तो कहीं मुंह दिखाने लायक ही रहेंगे. और आजकल, do you know what Sitaram Yechuri is writing? Down with imperialism, hail China. At a time when China is the enemy of the free world, when it has unleashed the virus, it has wreaked world, it has killed millions. At a time when it has murdered our jawans and unprecedented display of barbarism, we have Sitaram Yechuri communist from China.
Nuclear
China
powered electricity has India.
Well, let me get in Sanju Verma. The BJP has also changed position, but that's not the debate tonight. The debate tonight is about the left parties being, as Dr. Vijay Gokhale says, being pressurized by China. I want to ask you, the BJP is raising its worries and its objections today, but there was a time when the BJP government was also very friendly with China.
I just want to say one thing very categorically, and that is what Sitaram Yechuri said. He said we opposed the deal between 2007 and 9 before pulling the rug from under the Congress government in 2008, because we said that India will become second fiddle to United States, which is what Dr. Halim just said. So I need to remind people that no, we are not playing second fiddle to the United States anymore. Today, thanks to the Indo-US nuclear deal, India is 13th in terms of generation of nuclear power, 7th in terms of nuclear reactors. We have 23 nuclear reactors, 7 nuclear plants, and our installed capacity is more than 10,000 megawatts. We are the world's 3rd largest renewable energy producer, 4th largest wind energy producer, and 6th largest solar energy producer. So, Fuad Halim, before you talk gibberish, please get your facts right. I want to say one more thing. Show me one government in the last 7 decades which has actually forced a power like China to voluntarily disengage. We forced China in February 2021, barely a few months back, to go back to its earlier position at Finger 8 near Pangong Tso. We forced them to pull down all their military barricades between Singapore and Finger 8.
Well, let me ask Dr. Sumansi Raman. Dr. Sumansi Raman, it's part of folklore now what happened between the left and the Congress in 2008, and the country went through a trust vote at that point in time. I want to ask you, Dr. Sumansi Raman, how does this happen? Yesterday's enemies, yesterday's rug pullers from under the Congress's feet become breakfast partners today.
How it happens, Navika, is just like how Sanju Verma just described the benefits and the great achievement that the Indo-US nuclear deal is. A deal which, by the way, her party opposed tooth and nail. She's not mentioned that. I mean, this is incredible. She says that the deal has done so much of good for India. And then she's obviously got to answer why they consistently oppose the Indo-US nuclear deal. Don't interrupt.
Well,
the other point.
That's true, Sanju Verma. When the BJP was in opposition, it opposed the Indo-US nuclear deal. Today, you find so many merits in it. I think we've lost her audio. I think we've Sanju Verma. Clearly, as they say, in politics, strange things happen. Yesterday's enemies are today's friends. Today's enemies are tomorrow's friends. Well, that's the way it works. Revolving doors. Well, that's the way politics works. Do you really believe in it, ladies and gentlemen? Or do you think this is Kissa Kursi Ka? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.